what's going on, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, do you know what, I'm fed up of these tail lights looking all foggy and crusty. So it's less than a tenner. Let's get them out and show you. Rather than buying new tail lights, let's get these ones looking brand new. Hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers. Look at the state of them. Even this side is like that. So yeah, let's get them out now and make them look fresh. First of all, we need to get this panel out, so let's do that. Get your trim tool and pop it out and make it go flying like so. Now those are all off, this should technically just pop out, unless there's something else holding it in. Oh, yeah, looks like that. We have access. Let's take out this T20 Torx here for this plastic cover, and that will reveal the bolts that are holding it into place. And we'll disconnect the connector there. Let's get that out. And that should technically come out. Ah, and there's another one there. What you want to do, just press on that tab and basically pull it down. I've just clipped it back in to show you all, but there you go. That is out, revealing the bolt there. Let's get that out. Once you undone your 10mm, if there is another one or not, there we go. If you just push it from back there, nice and gently, just get it out like so. Yeah, look at the state of that. And now let's do the same to that side. And once you have removed your tail lights, let's go restore them and make them look like brand new rather than buying new ones. They look crusty. This might sound a bit crazy, but these are two main things that you're going to need in order to make your tail lights look brand new, and some water. So let's get going, let's show you, and let's do this. This one is passenger side. You want to just soak it up nicely, yeah, and basically just start sanding. There you go, it's brand new, mate. No, I'm joking. We've got to keep sanding it down first with 1200 wet and dry. Look at that compared to that, and that's just me flattening it down and soaking it with a little bit of water. Jeez! After you've given it a bit of 1200, let's go with a bit of 2000. So this is what it's looking like currently after me prepping it quickly. You lot are probably thinking there's not even a difference, but you know what, I'm doing a bit of a quick job on it. Let's see how it comes out and trust the process. Once you're happy with your prep work, now it's for the fun part. Let's just show you how it's looking currently, and then we'll do the fun part. That's how it is looking currently. Let's go, yo. Our clear coat, yeah, we just want to do about 2-3 coats, and let's see how it goes. Dry up, and then we'll come back and do a second coat. I don't know if it's going to need a third coat, to be fair. Looking fresh though. Cheese. So it's back on the car now. What do you all think? It looks much better compared to before, but yeah, I think I'm gonna let it dry and then possibly give it a flat down polish. Let me know in the comments But if you've liked this video, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers!